Hello addicts, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of new Noise Shorts X1A. So let's do this. So the headphones comes in this box. So in front we see the Noise branding over there, and it says Shorts X1A Carbon Black Special Edition wireless in-ear headphones. So there is nothing much on the sides of the box. At the back we can see what we get inside the box and some specifications, and MRP says 2,999, but I got it like nearly 1800 rupees. Let's open this up and see what we get inside the box. Once we open this, it says don't let my size fool you, and here are the headphones in the charging case itself. Let's keep it aside and see what else we get in the box. These are some extra piece of ear tips, micro USB cable, and some user manual and thank you note. So let's keep all the things aside and let's check the headphones itself. So the headphones comes in this Noise brand charging case. So here is the point to charge the headphones. Let's open it, and here we see the headphones itself. Let's take them out. Once we take it, it gets on by itself. Just on the Bluetooth in your phone, the headphones will be paired to your phone directly. The best part of these earphones is the air controls. So this panel we see here over here is totally touch panel. So one tap to pause or play the song, tap twice to previous song, and touch and hold to raise the volume, and touch and hold to lower the volume, and tap twice to activate the Google Assistant. I will do the full review of this product in my next video. Until then, stay tuned to my channel. I hope you like this video, so go and subscribe. Thanks for watching.